This video is to show you how to send an email from a group. So what you're going to want to do is go into your email settings by pressing the cog, and then you're going to go to accounts. And if you see send mail as, you should add another address. And then you should see a pop-up, and you're going to enter photos@coachet.org and go to the next step, and then send verification. And then check your inbox, and as long as you've been added to that group, you should get this confirmation to send mail as that. And then go ahead and click this link to confirm your request. So now we should be good to go. If we go back to our inbox, let's say you just finished a day of guitar club, you can go to compose. It's being a little slow here. Give it a second. And then where it says your from address, typically it's molly@coachet.org, I should be able to select from the different aliases that I can send as. I actually don't see the one I just added. So it looks like I have to enter this verification code. Let's try it that way. Sorry about that. Let's try this. Verify. Okay, there it is. So yeah, I guess instead of just clicking on the email, I'll put in that verification code, and now I should be able to send an email to whatever group. I'll just put in my email for now. Please send us your photos, and then when they reply, it'll come to the the photos@coachet.org email. So that's what I suggest we do. Then marketing will get those directly, and it'll save us some time of sending them. Let me know if you have any questions.